Hey everybody, this is Adam here with Petrie, and today it's about jokes, and specifically bird jokes.
Yep, I'm gonna tell some bird jokes, and I'm gonna try them out on you all today.
All right, Petrie, let's hear some bird jokes. I'm in the mood for a laugh.
All right, here we go. Everybody, let me stretch our wings.
Stretching my wings, I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. First bird joke it is. Do birds ever get sad?
Maybe, yeah, I could picture a sad bird.
What are they called then?
I don't know.
Bluebirds.
Okay, thanks for starting it off. All right.
I got another one.
Ready?
Are birds very strong?
Yeah, I think they would be pretty strong.
Of course they are.
Well, why are birds strong?
They get lots of exercise.
Exercise. Okay, all right, I see where you're coming. Okay, cool.
All right, here's a different one. Are birds very expensive?
I don't know. Are birds expensive?
Nope, they're really cheap.
Oh boy. Okay. Cheap. I get it.
Telling jokes. Here we go.
You got another one? All right.
This one is a chicken joke.
All right. I like a little chicken joke. Hey, do you ever do any of the jokes like why did the chicken cross the road?
We don't like those.
You don't like those?
Nope, we don't like those. We get mad.
Oh, okay. Do you want to Okay, you get mad about those.
Yep, ever since I heard the one that said, you ever heard the chicken that crossed the road twice?
No, I'd never heard of it. They usually only cross one time.
Well, yeah, he did, because he'd be a double crosser.
Oh, yeah. You don't want to double cross a chicken. That's a really good point.
Hold up this one. There's another one. Do chickens ever send mail?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Do chickens ever send mail?
Yep, they love to. They love to use a henvelope.
Envelope. Okay, not bad. I kind of like that one.
All right, I got one more. It's an owl joke.
Owls. All right, let's go.
Do you ever want to invite an owl to a party?
I don't know. Do you ever want to invite an owl to a party?
Yeah, they're a hoot. Okay, that's all I got time for. Everybody, you just have a good day from all these jokes. Oh, it's good to have a good wing-old laugh.
Okay, I'm really glad we could be here, and thanks for teaching me some new material. I really appreciate it.
No problem. All right, until then, don't tweet. Don't do it.
Oh boy. All right, I won't tweet. Bye.